Hi dear children, how are you all? In the last class, we started our second lesson, microorganisms friend and foe. Then we discussed some of the usefulness and harmful of microorganisms. What is microorganism? Microorganisms are small living organisms. We can't see with naked eye. We can see with the help of only microscope. And microorganisms are classified into four major groups. What are the four major groups? Fungi, bacteria, algae, protozoa. And another one group of microorganism is virus. Viruses are also microscopic. And we studied some of the disease caused by these microorganisms. And microorganisms, some of the microorganisms are very helpful to us. Very useful to us. Some of the microorganisms are very useful to us. And microorganism can be used for the commercial use, for the production of alcohol, wine, acetic acid, etc. Some of the microorganisms are used for making antibiotics. First antibiotic, penicillin. And who was discovered penicillin? Alexander Fleming. Nowadays, streptomycin, erythrocycline, tetracycline, these are the antibiotics are used. And antibiotics are made from microorganisms like bacteria. Some of the microorganisms are used for making curd from milk, and making bread and cakes, etc. Today we are going to study the next uses of microorganism. First one, increasing soil fertility. Increasing soil fertility. Another one use, increasing soil fertility. You already studied in the lower class. In 7th class you learned one of the microorganism, that is one bacteria, Rhizobium bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria lives in the roots of the leguminous plants. One symbiotic relationship. You study now one symbiotic relationship by Rhizobium bacteria and plants. Rhizobium bacteria cannot make their own food and they depend on plants. And these bacteria provide nutrients to the plants. And plants give a shelter to the Rhizobium bacteria. It is one symbiotic relationship. Do you remember? Do you remember? Okay. In 7th class you learned one symbiotic relationship, that is Rhizobium bacteria and plants. The Rhizobium bacteria absorb atmospheric nitrogen. It is converted into nitrate. The nitrate is very essential for healthy growth of the plants. And this nitrate fixes in the soil. It increases in the soil fertility. And the plant's roots deeply penetrate in the soil. It absorbs the nutrients and minerals from the soil. So, the microorganisms like Rhizobium bacteria, it increases in the soil fertility. It helps for the plants to provide nitrate. These bacteria absorb atmospheric nitrogen and converted into which form? Nitrate. These microbes are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. These microorganisms are commonly called biological nitrogen fixers. What is called biological nitrogen fixers? Biological nitrogen fixers. Why these bacteria called biological nitrogen fixers? These microorganisms called because these microorganisms absorb atmospheric nitrogen and converted into nitrate, and it fixes in the soil. So it increases in the soil fertility. So these microorganisms are called biological nitrogen fixers. Do you understand? Okay. Next one, cleaning the environment. Some of the microorganisms are cleaning in our environment. Microorganisms, we already studied the humus. Humus, what is humus? It is the waste, it is the manure. Humus is one manure. and it is a decomposition of plants and animals. Microorganisms, they decompose the dead bodies of plants and animals and it converted into a good manure. So these microorganisms cleaning our environment. It decompose dead bodies of plants and animals. The microorganisms, they decompose the dead bodies of plants and animals. It converted into simple substance, that is humus. The humus is very essential for the healthy growth of the plants. So the plants and animals can again use this humus. The microorganism can be used to degrade the smelly substance or harmful substance and it converted into humus. And so it clean up the environment. So the microorganism clean up the environment. So today we are studied the two uses of microorganism. First one, increases soil fertility. Some of the microorganism like Rhizobium bacteria, it absorb atmospheric nitrogen. It converted into nitrates to the soil. So it increases in the soil fertility of the soil. So these microorganisms are called biological nitrogen fixers. Next we study cleaning the environment. Some of the microorganisms, they decompose dead and decaying matter, that is dead bodies of plants and animals. And also they decompose the smelly substance or harmful substance. It converted into good manure. And this manure or humus is again used by plants and animals. Okay, so the microorganisms clean up the environment. Okay, dear children, this portion is over. The next class we will discuss what are the harmfulness of microorganism. Everybody should read the textbook carefully. All of you got exam timetable, only first lesson. All of you should read the textbook carefully. Only one-word answers from textbook. Miss only give the question answers and define the following. Okay. If you read the textbook, you attend nicely the exam. Study well, dear children. Study well and complete the notes. If you have any doubt, you call me. The next class we will meet again. Then thank you children. Bye.